This is Travis' final project. Phone to AC unit, controller, run a 9-volt into a 7805, which is going to power my buttons. They're there to simulate MT8870 chip, which I'm still waiting to receive. It's on off. Red light signifies program is running. When button number 1 is pressed, fan turns on a counter. It's at 100 right now. My ratio should be about 30 seconds. Counter can be adjusted to be any time needed. Arduino's controlling fan through transistor. Got to my LED. There goes, it turns off after 30 seconds. Got my LED for back loop. Let's show it one more time. Turns on now. If one button is pressed, second button 2 is pressed, nothing happens. Code needs to be on. Both of them need to be pressed at the same time for it to actually turn off. And this can be expanded to when I receive the chip, all 4 buttons. But right now I only had two buttons. Nothing. To press them both at the same time. Turns off.